This app is not available in your country or region. iPhone, iPad, iOS 18. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the "this app is not available in your country or region" error on your iPhone or iPad. If you've ever tried to download an app and got this message, keep watching because I'll walk you through the solution. Before we dive into the fixing thing, the first thing you should check is if the app is actually available in your region. Some apps are only available in specific countries, so you might want to check the app's region availability by searching for it in the App Store. Now, let's jump into the settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Now, in your settings, tap on your name at the top to access the Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Media and Purchases. Then tap on View Account. You might be asked to sign in with your Apple ID and password or use Face ID or Touch ID. Now scroll down and tap on Country and Region. Here you'll see the option to change your region. If the app is unavailable in your country, changing your region to one where the app is available could solve the issue. Simply do that. You can choose whichever country you prefer. Keep in mind, when changing your region, you may need to update your billing information. Some region require specific payment methods or billing address. You can either update the information or choose none if you're downloading free apps. And once you've updated your region and payment info, simply tap Agree to accept the terms and condition, and your Apple ID will now be set to the new region. And that's it, you're successfully fixed "this app is not available in your country